For families who want the most complete, safety-first driver education experience available in Connecticut, the full driver education bundle is our top recommendation for new teen drivers. This package combines the full 30-hour comprehensive classroom course with 8 hours of private driving lessons. It covers every topic a new driver needs to know, from traffic laws, defensive driving, and vehicle physics, to highway driving, adverse conditions, emergency situations, and vehicle ownership. Then it backs all of that theory up with 4 hands-on, 2-hour lessons behind the wheel. Beyond the content, this bundle delivers a meaningful, practical benefit. Teens who complete the full 30-hour classroom course plus 8 hours of driving lessons are eligible to take their road test after just 120 days from their permit issue date, compared to 180 days with the 8-hour course alone. That's 2 months sooner. Adults 18 and older have a standard 90-day permit wait regardless of the course. You must be at least 16 years old to begin class. No learner's permit is required to start, but you will need one before scheduling your driving lessons. If your permit has a B restriction, you must bring your glasses or contacts to every lesson. Classes are taught live via Zoom, 15 2-hour sessions available on weekdays, weekends, and in accelerated summer formats. Driving lessons are available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. We recommend spacing lessons 2 weeks apart to allow for practice between sessions. All scheduling is managed through your student portal. Once all class hours, lessons, quizzes, and signatures are complete, we'll issue your EDEC. That's Connecticut's required digital completion certificate. All requirements must be finished at least 5 days before your road test. If you test with the Next Street, we'll upload it automatically the night before your test. The Next Street is the easiest road to your license.